Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ètò lẹ́nìí. Ṣé ti rí Chief Sunday Adeyemo aka Igboho Òòṣà is the perfect example of when Yoruba will say olóòótọ́ lù ọ̀tá lù ni.
ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́ wálé mi lórúkọ ẹ̀ ní 2021 tájà bá pógun ọdún láyé rẹ̀ ògùn ni yóò sáré kẹ́yìn ayé ni bó tilẹ̀ kẹ́pẹ́ láyé tó àìsàn lẹ́fì lùgbésí ayé ìdààmú ikú gbóná ní ọ̀pá gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́ wálé mi lórúkọ ẹ̀ àtẹ́tẹ́ lọ́sùn lémi náà ẹ̀yọ́ lórí búyì olùsí ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀ kìrẹ̀ yìí kò ní dáa fún yín ẹ lọ sẹ́rù fúlàní gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́ wálé mi lórúkọ ẹ̀ àti gbogbo ẹ̀ olóṣèlú tẹ́ mọ̀ sí pé láti èní ìlọ ìdùnnú ní jẹ́ ti dẹ́bi jáde láyé àti ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú ó yẹ mo ṣe sọ yẹn ò tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ sí tó yẹ pé kò sí bí wọ́n ti fẹ́ ṣe jàmbá yẹn fún mi nìbàdàn tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ mọ́mọ́ kọ́mọ orókì láyà yìí àtẹ̀yìn tẹ́ súnmọ́ mi tí wọ́n pè lórúkọ yẹn tí wọ́n ní kẹ́ mọ̀ pè mí sí mo wà nulẹ̀ àti wọ́n ọ̀rẹ́ mi tí mo sọ fún pé ológbò yẹn o tí bá fẹ́ ṣe gbá tí mo fi tàn ẹ̀mí fi gbé ẹmúgùn ní olórí ibú mo kẹ́ fi tàn ẹ́ nì bí mo máa ń do ológbò mo máa ń ṣe èmi kẹ́ fi tàn olórí burúkú rẹ̀ ìwọ́n náà wá ti believe oníkan polówó ikú òjijì tẹ́ fi pa ológbò yẹn jọ ẹ̀ tọmọtọmọ yín ikú òjijì ní ọ̀pá yín mo parọ́ fún ẹ ní èmi ò ń do ológbò mo kẹ́ parọ́ fún olórí burúkú rẹ̀ ni ó lò sí ẹ fẹ́ mọ̀dí abájọ èyí ó lò sí kò ní dáa fún yín.
Now ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ gbà ni Igboho máa sọ̀rọ̀ tí Sunday Igboho bá sọ̀rọ̀ a lot of people have actually misquoted his message torí èmi mọ̀ kíní kan wípé Igboho Òòṣà is always talking about the unity amongst the Yoruba people. Ṣẹ́tìgẹ́tì then tẹ́ bá wò lẹ́nujọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ máa rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ ọba kan ju ọba kan lọ ọba kan ju ọba kan lọ ọba kan lọ supremacy between our obas òun ni àwọn èèyàn tiẹ̀ ń sọ. People are not actually talking about the real deal, the unity amongst the obas, because tí àwọn ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó bá wà united tí àwọn Yorùbá náà bá wà united, that is how we can forge forward, that is how we can achieve everything tí a fẹ́ achieve. Nàìjíríà kan náà ni gbogbo wa, you get me, my own point, Nàìjíríà kan náà ni gbogbo wa ṣe ti get, but tó bá ti ń di pé láàrin àwa Yorùbá ìpínyà ti ń wà, ọba kan ju ọba ìlú wa ju ọba ìlú yín lọ, àánú ọba ìlú tiẹ̀ kò tó ọba ìlú títí wa, ó ti ń di ìpínyà. Ṣé ti get message mi now? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé a lot of things tí Igboho ti sọ àwọn èèyàn ti ní misconception, àwọn kan máa ń ní misconceptions dáadáa lórí nǹkan tó sọ.
You still asking for Yoruba nation when na Akanji be the name of your president Tinubu. Which Yoruba nation you dey ask for again? Which Yoruba nation? Sunday Igboho, we all supported you that time, but right now, there, Melao, you must calm down.
Hi, Adeyemo Sunday Adeni, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. I'm a typical Yoruba man. So, and I have my green card. This is my green card. Then we have our culture. That is Yoruba culture. We call it Yoruba culture. Our culture is so beautiful all over the world. So my people, we need to join our hand together to fight for our religion, our culture. So because we don't need to make our culture die. Our culture is very powerful culture all over the world. Very respectful culture. So my people, I'm begging you, we don't need to fight ourselves. We need to join our hand together to fight for our religion, our culture. Very, very important. Please, my people, love is very important. It's very, very important in our region. Love is powerful. We need to join our hand together. We don't need to fight ourselves. Please, I'm begging you, my sister, my brother, please, because I'm a particular Yoruba man. My language is very important to me. I'm not an Englishman. I'm a Yoruba man. So love is very important. Please, my people, I'm begging you. God bless you all over the world.
Tẹ́ bá wo àwọn videos kan tí Igboho ṣe, especially the last video tí wọ́n post, wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa èdè Yorùbá, àṣà Yorùbá, gbogbo nǹkan tá a bá máa ṣe láti rí wípé àṣà Yorùbá à ń gbé lárugẹ, òun ló yẹ ká máa ṣe. Wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ kankan nínú fídíò yẹn náà again. Wọ́n sọ pé tí ẹ bá wo homes gbogbo àwọn èèyàn sìn, ẹ máa rí pé àwọn èèyàn gan wọn kì í fi Yorùbá tọ́ àwọn ọmọ wọn mọ́. kò yọ èmi náà lẹ̀ o, kò yọ èmi náà lẹ̀, but àwọn àtúnṣe tó yẹ ká ṣe, torí we need to actually pay attention to our heritage. Kò yẹ ká sọ pé bóyá nítorí ìgbàlódé tàbí pé ayé ti dayọ̀ làjú ká wá máa fọwọ́ rọ́ àṣà àti èdè wa sẹ́yìn. Mélòó nínú wa làwọn ọmọ ilé sọ Yorùbá tààrà? Mélòó nínú wa? As a matter of fact, tẹ́ bá lọ sáwọn schools wa, most of our schools wa, if a child mistakenly speaks Yoruba, teacher máa sọ pé you are speaking vernacular. You will be punished for speaking vernacular. Because system ẹ̀ làwa náà ti grow. Bàtà wa náà wà in school, you must not speak. In fact, tó máa ti di pé vernacular speaking, everybody máa di deaf and dumb nítorí àwa ò tiẹ̀ gbọ́ Òyìnbó. Ṣé ti get public school lèmi lọ. Tó bá ti di gba anybody that speaks vernacular, imagine they are calling our language that is supposed to be our our joy, that's supposed to be our heritage, that is supposed to be our pride. They are calling it a vernacular. Anybody that speaks vernacular will be punished. Everybody ma wá dákẹ́. Àwa di bebebe, he step me, he step. Òyìnbó ṣì máa wá bẹ̀rẹ̀. Now nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni pé mélòó nínú àwọn òyìnbó yìí gangan lẹ́rìí pé wọ́n ń sọ Yorùbá láwọn schools wọn, èdè wọn ló ń sọ. Òun lè máa fi rí pé if you pay attention to what I'm saying, see this colonial mentality ti Fẹlá Aníkúlápó máa fi ń kọrin tó máa ń sọ ní gbogbo ìgbà yẹn, òun ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. They have colonized. Okay, the days of colonization, is gone. You get? But they have already colonized our mentality. Òun ló máa ń pè ní colo-mental. Ẹlòmíì ò tẹ́ mọ̀ nǹkan tó jẹ́ colonial. It is colonial mentality. Colonial mentality is when they have brainwashed you. They will now make you feel like your heritage, your culture, your tradition is an abomination. That is why, nígbà táwa ń dàgbà, even now in our schools, you cannot even speak your local dialect. If you speak as a Yoruba man, if you speak Yoruba, the ọmọ náà vernacular. As a matter of fact, atiwari as àṣà. If you cannot even speak English, level up nìyẹn. They will now be. Meanwhile, Lionel Messi, bóyá gbọ́ Òyìnbó, bóyá kò gbọ́ Òyìnbó, kò kí ń sọ Òyìnbó. Èdè ìlú ẹ̀yẹn ló máa ń sọ. Èdè ìlú ẹ̀yẹn gangan òun ló máa ń sọ. Tó bá ti mọ̀ pé ó gbélé mi, kò sí wàhálà, ẹ lọ wá interpreter kó wá bá yẹn interpret, kí ló kàn mí? Did you get? Because they take pride in their heritage. That is what you see. Now, nǹkan tí Sunday Igboho ń sọ, as a matter of fact, fídíò tí mo rí yẹn, wọ́n sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, wọ́n á pé this is very, very true. This is very, very real. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, a ti fi ọwọ́ ara wa báyìí, a ti fi sọ àṣà àti èdè wa, a ti sọ sínú igbó, just because we want to prove a point, just because of Stockholm syndrome, just because of crowd mentality. His children are very good when it comes to spoken English. My children too, they must be speaking English. I don't want to hear tó náà bá ti wá délé, gbogbo yín, I don't want to hear anybody speak Yoruba in this house anymore. À ń fi ọwọ́ ara wa, a fi ń da àṣà àti heritage wa àti culture wa, àṣà àti ìṣe wa, à ń dànù. Nǹkan tá à ń ṣe nìyẹn. That is exactly what Sunday Igboho is actually preaching about. But a lot of people have been, having misconceptions about what it stands for. Nǹkan tó ń tọ́ láti sọ fún wa ni pé àṣà àti ìṣe wa kò kí ń ṣe nǹkan tá a máa dànù. Don't let us be feeling inferior. Don't let us, when you get to a place, when you speak your local dialect, people will look at you like, eléyìí ò tiẹ̀ jà, kò tiẹ̀ kàwé. And that's one thing a lot of people don't know. People that can speak the best of Yoruba, if you can speak Yoruba, the Yoruba go, you are very, very brilliant. But reverse is the case. Tí kò bá ti sọ English, kò kàwé, kò lọ́gbọ́n. You cannot use spoken English to be measuring intelligence. Mo ní àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n lè sọ òyìnbó láti ibi ìbàdàn dọ̀la mẹ́jọ wọn mọ̀. Ní kó wá spell òyìnbó tó sọ kò lè spell ẹ̀. Ní kó wá spell hippopotamus ó máa larí mọ́ ni. But this person can speak English from now till tomorrow, impeccable English. Wàá tẹ̀ wá tún sọ English kan máa tún ní kíní kan correct ní English tó sọ yẹn. Is it my language? English is not my language. Look at what is going on in all these Sahel countries. They are now dishing the foreign languages. They are dishing French. They are now going back to their local dialect as the official language. They are waking up to that reality. Nǹkan tí Sunday Igboho gangan tó ń sọ nìyẹn. Now another thing tó tún sọ nínú fídíò kan tí mo mú, wọ́n sọ wípé àwọn confide nínú ọ̀rẹ́ àwọn kan wípé ológbò tó wà nílé àwọn yẹn is the source of his power. Ọ̀rẹ́ àwọn yẹn ló wá lọ fún àwọn tí wọ́n wá attack àwọn lálàmí pé once you find the cat, that cat, you will find him. Wọ́n ṣe pa ológbò yẹn nìyẹn. Meanwhile, that friend did not know that that cat was not the source of his power. Do you get? So nínú fídíò yóò jẹ́ kó yé wa pé ọ̀rẹ́ tẹ́ fi inú tọ́ òun ló máa kọ́kọ́ dà ẹ́ tí nǹkan bá fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹwà dúró kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ tún sọ kankan wípé gbogbo àwọn tó ń gbàbọ̀dé, in fact he said a lot of things. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣépè. Èpè yẹn wo kéèyàn máa just be good, be pure, kéèyàn máa ṣe dáadáa. Then another message in this video tí mo fẹ́ pass across òun ni wípé don't trust anybody. Don't trust anybody. The person you feel that is your friend might be the one that will betray you when the time, for adversity comes. He will be the first person that will betray you. Ẹ wo Jésù now. Ẹ wo àwọn tó betray Jésù. Nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ nínú fídíò yẹn gangan nìyẹn. Ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó dùn wọ́n gan. Because tí ikú lé ò bá pa ni tòde ò lè pa ni. Do you get? Ó lè ò kí ń jàgbà lójú fìrí. Ó láti lọ́wọ́ kinní kan nú. Ṣètìgẹ́tì Yorùbá tí mo ń try láti gbé wá yẹn bó ṣe rí gangan nìyẹn. Òun ni kò fi dá kéèyàn máa finú tọ́yàn. Ó lè trust èèyàn anyhow. Tó bá ṣe ń báyàn ṣe máa fi àyè lẹ̀ pé what if this person actually betrays me? Ẹ máa fàyè yẹn lẹ̀ in case even tí kò padà wá tí ènìyàn bá padà wá betray, you will be safe. Ibi tí message yẹn ń lọ gangan nìyẹn. So lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Chief Sunday Adeyemo is actually standing for something. Bọ́jọ́ ṣe ń gorí ọjọ́ tí gbà ń wá tí gbà ń lọ. Yoruba language òun lèmi ṣe máa ń sọ pé ní àwọn schools wá ń sìn English language, mathematics, if you do not pass those two subjects you are not going to be promoted. Ó yẹ kí wọ́n fi local language wa kan, local dialect wa kí wọ́n fi sí àárín àwọn compulsory subject yẹn, so you don't have a choice. Because even nígbà táwa wà ní school àti rí Yorùbá subject àti rí bíi minor, àmọ́ ni kò jẹ́ pé mo mú ìwà nínú Yorùbá wọ́n wẹ̀ báyìí ó mú ìwà nínú Yorùbá ọmọ máa wẹ̀ bí gbà tó Yorùbá yẹn ò kì í ṣe subject. Meanwhile academically Yoruba is a subject. Yoruba is as important. It should be as important as that English language tí gbogbo wa ń gbé sí orí. Tẹ́tí jẹ́ nǹkan tí mo try láti sọ́nsìn. That is the message Sunday Igboho is trying to pass across to us. That we should not forget where we come from. That we should make sure we stand for something when it comes to our cultural heritage. Nǹkan tí Sunday Igboho ń jà fún gangan nìyẹn. But a lot of people, nǹkan tó yẹ ká gbájúmọ́ ìyẹn la filẹ̀, èyí tó yẹ ká tẹ̀ dànù òun la gbájúmọ́. Ọba kan ju ọba kan lọ, ọba kan ju ọba kan lọ, ìjà burúkú. But what about the unity amongst the Obas? It is the unity that can bring development to us. When you stay united, you can achieve a lot. All of us are one Nigerians. All of us, we are one Nigeria. Nigerians ní gbogbo wa pátá. Do you understand what I'm trying to say now? Nigeria kò dẹ̀ ní bàjẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Jeff Owolewa lorúkọ mi. Let me know what you feel about this video in the comment section. And please, if you are watching my videos for the first time, tẹ́ bá wo video mi lákọ̀ọ́kọ́, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ subscribe to channel mi, kẹ́ smash the notification button so when my next video is popping up, you'll be the first to see it. God bless you.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.